Isang misa at simpleng salo-salo ang idinaos sa Mitsubishi Car World sa siyudad San Fernando, Pampanga para sa ika-45 anibersaryo ng nasabing car dealership. Dito ginanita rin ng mga adhikain at advokasya ng founder ng Car World na si Ginoong Levy P. Laos, isang civic at business leader at champion ng countryside development.
Yeah, of course, we want to continue the legacy of our founder. Car World would continue its social responsibility of providing employment to the countryside, and we will continue to expand and grow to serve more customers in the countryside.
Milestone din naman ng maituturing ang higit 4 na dekadang tagumpay ng Car World, hindi lamang sa automotive industry, kundi sa progreso at pagnenegosyo sa rehiyon.
Ang pinaka-milestone ng Car World is having been survive a lot of calamities. Dumaan yung pinatubo, dumaan yung financial crisis. But still, we are here for our customers and for our community and our employees. No? And we look forward to another 45 years for Car World.
Sinariwa rin sa selebrasyon ng humble beginnings ng Car World noong July 31, 1978 na siyang simula rin ng Laos Group of Companies ang pinakamalaking multi-brand car dealership sa buong bansa.
In 1978, Car World Incorporated began its operations with 5 employees. During its early years, Car World then was an allied dealer offering multi-auto brands. Car World's one of the first unit that had to be delivered was a Mitsubishi Lambda to a customer in Balanga, Bataan. It was only in 1985 when Car World was appointed as a Mitsubishi dealer. Mitsubishi Car World.
The Car World brand was created by my father more than 4 decades ago. He was buying vehicles in Metro Manila and then eventually selling them through the Car World dealership. It was only during 1985 that we started only with one branch, which was San Fernando. In 1991, Car World moved to its permanent showroom. That was the eruption of Mount Pinatubo. Because of my father's belief in the potential of the countryside, he invested in a 9-hectare property, which we have the Car World San Fernando showroom right now. Car World has expanded to Olongapo, Bulacan area, which is Marilao and Malolos. So right now, we have 5 existing Car World dealerships and we're opening a new one in Bataan.
Samantala, bukod sa buong pusong suporta ng Laos family sa mga empleyado, susi rin daw sa tagumpay ng Car World ang pagtitiwala ng kanilang mga kliyente.
Yeah, of course, we would like to thank the Laos family for continuing the legacy of our late founder, Mr. Levy P. Laos. Salamat sa support. Also to the hardworking men and women of the Laos Group. No? This is for you. Car World would not have made it to 45 years without your loyalty and commitment. And of course, sa mga customers namin, no, we will continue to serve you and we continue to be inspired by you, our dear customers.
Asahan naman daw ang patuloy na pagbibigay ng dekalidad na produkto at serbisyo ng Mitsubishi Car World. Maaaring bisitahin ang kanilang mga branch sa City of San Fernando, Pampanga, Tarlac City, Malolos City, Bulacan, Subic Freeport Zone at sa Balanga City, Bataan. Arlene Salonga, CLTV 36 News.